Ever felt like you're drowning in to-do lists and scattered project ideas? Then you've probably stumbled upon ClickUp, the productivity powerhouse promising to streamline your workflow and conquer chaos. But have you ever stopped to wonder, who's behind the curtain making this magic happen? ClickUp boasts an impressive user base, from solopreneurs to multinational corporations, all relying on its features to keep their projects on track. With such a widely used platform, the question naturally arises: who is the owner of ClickUp? Is it a tech giant, a group of visionary entrepreneurs, or maybe even a productivity ninja in disguise? Well, buckle up, because the answer might surprise you. ClickUp isn't owned by a single individual or a large corporation in the traditional sense. Instead, it's the brainchild of a bootstrap startup founded by Zeb Evans and Alex Burkett. Here's where things get interesting. Unlike many startups chasing venture capital funding, ClickUp has taken a self-funded approach. This means they haven't sold any part of the company to outside investors. Evans and Burkett, along with their dedicated team, have grown ClickUp organically, relying on revenue from user subscriptions. Now, this self-funded route has its advantages. ClickUp has complete control over its development roadmap and can prioritize features based on user needs rather than the demands of investors. They can experiment, innovate, and create a product that truly serves their user base. But hold on, there's more to the story. While Evans and Burkett are the founders, ClickUp operates under a model known as a limited liability company, LLC. This legal structure offers several benefits, including personal asset protection for the founders and the ability to distribute profits among members. So, could there be other members involved besides Evans and Burkett? There's a possibility. LLCs can have multiple owners, but ClickUp hasn't publicly disclosed any other ownership information. Here's the thing. The lack of transparency around ownership might raise some eyebrows. After all, in today's world of venture capital and billion-dollar tech companies, the traditional route seems more familiar. But ClickUp's self-funded approach is a breath of fresh air. It demonstrates a commitment to building a sustainable business model based on user value, not investor expectations. Think about it. How often do you see a productivity app that isn't constantly pushing premium features or bombarding you with ads? ClickUp's focus on user experience, coupled with their self-funded model, suggests a genuine desire to empower users, not just maximize profits. Now, this doesn't mean ClickUp is perfect. They're still a growing company, and there's always room for improvement. However, their unique ownership structure fosters a sense of independence and user centricity that sets them apart. So, the next time you're lost in a sea of tasks and deadlines, take a moment to appreciate the work of ClickUp's team, led by the vision of Evans and Burkett. Their commitment to user needs and their innovative, self-funded approach are what keep the ClickUp engine running. Of course, the story of ClickUp's ownership might evolve in the future. But as of today, it's a testament to the power of bootstrapping and building a product that truly resonates with its users. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.